Hi, I'm Karen Flores Vasquez Mendoza, and this is my statistics project. Well, what I had to do first is that I gather all the data from a link that my teacher gave me, and it was about the state of Jalisco. So here is what I did. First of all, I gather all of the values in a Google Sheets, and there were 125 values. Then I ordered them from the lowest to the highest, and this is what I got. The highest number was 7,379, and I got the total of the sum of all of them, which was 218,291. Then I gathered the mean, median, and mode. All I did with this was I did all of this with Excel, which I could also have made it by hand, but this was the tool that the teacher gave us. So then I got the mean, which was about the raw data because I didn't group it. I just take the values just exactly how they were. And the mean was 1,746, the median was 1,321, and we didn't have a mode because none of the values were repeat each other. Okay, so then I got the graphing here from all the states, and then I grouped, this is where I grouped the data. So I started making intervals of 247 between each one. Here are the intervals of all of them, the 125, and then I put the frequency of all of them, and then I put the cumulative frequency of all of them, so until I got 125. And here I didn't include the state of Guadalajara because it is an outlier. As you can see, the first value I had was 3 and the next one was 217, so it would be that outlier. It wouldn't be useful for us and it would change all our values, so I didn't use it. That's why it's not there. So the mean I calculated the same. So the mean I got 3,831.5, and I got the median as well, 3,831.5. And the modal class, in this case, it was the interval of 1,181 to 1,421. There is the histogram of the group data. And well, here the conclusions. Lastly, well, for my conclusions, I conclude that discrete data consists of a specific individual values, allowing for precise predictions regarding counts or categories, while group data organizes values into intervals, sacrificing some precision for simplicity in analysis. And well, my choice between them hinges on the data's nature and research objectives, with discrete data favoring precision and group data simplifying large dataset and summaries, impacting prediction accuracy accordingly. Like in this case, here the data changed from when it was raw to group, in which I noticed that it was more precise using raw data, but it's way more longer and tedious to do, while group data is easier to graphic and find the values of central tendency. As you can see, the values changed. Where it was grouped, I got the same amount in median as mean, which I don't really think it's really precise as I did with the raw data, which was different. And here is the reference lastly.